Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada, Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today what is procedural programming. Introduction. Procedural programming is the standard approach used in traditional computer language such as C, Pascal, Fortran and BASIC. The basic idea is to have a program specify the sequence of a step that implement a particular algorithm. Procedural programming is a term used to denote the way in which a computer programmer writes a program. This method of developing software, which also is called application, revolves around keeping code as concise as possible. It also focuses on a very specific end result to be achieved. In procedural language, that is C, these modules are procedures where a procedure is a sequence of statement. In C, for example, procedures are sequence of imperative statements such as assignment, test, loop and invocations of sub-procedure. These procedures are functions which map argument to return statement. That is defined this diagram. First one is main program, then function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4 and function F5. The design method used in procedural programming is called top-down design. This is where you start with a problem procedure and then systematically break the problem down into sub-program and sub-problem sub-procedure. This is called functional decomposition, which continues until a sub-problem is enough to be solved by the corresponding sub-procedure. When changes are made to the main procedure, those changes are to be the sub-program and procedure of main and the sub-procedure and so on, where the change may impact all procedure in the pyramid. The problem with PP approach. PP, that is procedural programming. Handling of data. PP approach gives a importance to data by data. We mean the information collected from user, the new result obtained after calculation, etc. Advantage of procedural programming. Its relative simplicity and cases of implementation of compiler and interpreters. The ability to reuse the same code at different places in the program without copying it. An easier way to keep track of program flow, the ability to be strongly modular or structured. Need only the less memory. Disadvantage of procedural programming. Data is exposed to whole program, so no security for data. Difficult to relate with real world object. Difficult to create new data type. Reduce importance in given to operation on data rather than the data. Thank you so much for watching this video.